Hi friends, welcome back to your healthy channel. Today we will talk about fasting for weight loss for beginners. Fasting has been called a reset button for the body. The body gets cleansed of chemicals and impurities, giving you a good ability to fully taste foods, and with the low-calorie diet you can lose weight also. What is fasting? Fasting consists of eating within a specific window of time in the day, and not eating for the remaining hours of the day. Choosing your fasting plan. There are several different fasting methods. The most popular ones are daily time-restricted fasting. Eat normally but only within an 8-hour window each day. For example, skip breakfast but eat lunch around noon and dinner by 8 p.m. The 5-2 diet. 5 days per week, you eat normally and don't restrict calories. Then, on the other 2 days of the week, you reduce your calorie intake to 1/4 of your daily needs. Alternate day fasting. Eat a normal diet one day and either completely fast or have one small meal, less than 500 calories, the next day. Tips for getting started with fasting. If you're new to fasting, consider starting small. A moderate approach such as an overnight fast will help you adapt. Fasting for effective weight loss and fat loss. Fasting helps you to change your patterns and beliefs, helps you to change who you are inside while you're changing on the outside. Fasting can be a great tool to lose body fat and body weight. It can also be a mentally positive alternative to those who struggle with calorie counting and portion control. The key with fasting is with any weight loss plan, is to find what works for you. Focus on healthy foods in between fasts, and remind yourself that you are taking control of your body health and future. How to succeed with fasting for weight loss. Focus on consistency. Pick one method of fasting, and stick with it long enough to experience the full effects. Focus on quality. The foods you eat are still important. Try to eat mostly whole, single-ingredient foods. Try to eat normally during the non-fasting periods, not so much that you compensate for the calories you missed when fasting. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink water. It's important to stay hydrated when fasting since it is the only thing you can consume during that time. Be patient. It can take your body some time to adapt to fasting protocol. Try to be consistent with your meal schedule, and it'll get easier. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit like button and subscribe to this channel.